Back for another update. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame on XRP. And before we get a little bit too excited, I want to let you know that we have hit the 178.6% fib, and this does look like an extension of the fifth wave. A lot of retail euphoria over here. We went up by over 36% from this wave 4 pennant right over here. And the targets remain the same. I still expect $1.10 to $1.30, but just be mindful on the small time frame that we may have a little bit of a pullback. Now, that pullback will likely be a pullback for dollar cost averaging in order for the anticipation of the next leg higher towards $1.10 to $1.30. Okay, so it does look like we have 5 waves here. What we can do is zoom in here on the 30-minute time frame. And if you are a long-term trader or if you are a long-term investor, this should just be all noise to you. But if you do have some dry capital on the side, then you definitely want to DCA at all of these fibs over here if we do come down, okay? So just looking at the subwaves over here, this does look like we potentially put in a local top. Notice how I said local top. I didn't say that we have topped yet. I still do think that we go to $1.10 to $1.30, but right now there is a possibility that we have a little bit of a small pullback. Okay, so this is your ABC for your wave 4. And then you have a wave 5 extension right over here. Okay? So just like that, this is exactly how it would look. And then if I wanted to put the waves on it, it would look something like this. Okay, so you see how extended this fifth wave is? And then when we go ahead and measure the fifth wave, we do see that it has come up to the 170.2% fib and the 178.6% fib. And actually, back at 94 cent XRP, right over here, like right over here, back in 2023, we hit this same extension before we had a big pullback. Okay, I'm not saying the pullback will be big. I'm just saying that there is a possibility we've put in a potential local top here, and we may see a little bit of a retrace towards the lower fibs for a wave 2 before we go ahead and have our wave 3 to the upside. Okay, so you'd want to DCA at all of these fibs over here for the anticipation of the next leg higher. Okay, so I made the fibs thicker so you guys can see. And of course, if XRP does go above 74 cent, then here are the rest of the targets. Okay, because yes, we can go, yes, it does look like one straight line up on the high time frame, but on the small time frame, it does look like it's getting a little bit overheated here. We can take a look at the RSI as well. And we do see a higher high. We do see higher highs, but we have a lower high on the price on the 30-minute. Let's check it out on the 2-hour time frame, and we see something very similar. Notice how the RSI is still in overbought territory. Okay, so just be mindful of the possibility of a little bit of a pullback, but just know that if we do have that pullback, it will be a dip for buying. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to stay updated, then definitely click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.